Canelo, can you tell us more about your hand injury? When you hurt your hand, was it hurt going into the fight? And
Yeah,
how did it get worse during the fight?
Hairs everywhere, everywhere. I had these issues since the Caleb plant fight. So, and I like, it's okay, later. And then I can really start really bad. And I need surgery.
How badly did it hurt you during the fight?
Really bad.
It's broken, right? You think it's broken?
No, it's not broken. It's like a meniscus.
It's a wrist injury.
Yeah.
Wrist.
But it's not broken. It's my wrist. Like a clean meniscus. It's like something like that. Derek, can you explain this?
Yeah,
Come on.
Canelo, how long do you think that it will keep you out? I mean, do you have an idea if you have surgery, how long it might keep you out of the ring?
Doctor. Let me explain.
Someone has a TFCC tear, which is a piece of cartilage within the wrist, which affects the body's ability to mobilize that joint without feeling impingement and sharp pain. If he has a surgery, depending on what the surgeon decides, probably 6 to 8 to 12 weeks, depending on that rehabilitation, if it's successful.
But I'm gonna take my time. Right? My body needs, last year I fought 4 times in 11 months, so that's why. But I need to take my time a little bit, maybe in May, September, I don't know. But I need to take my time.